Today I have an Apple Watch, and I'm going to show you how to use the timer on the Apple Watch. So right here, I have the Apple Watch. You see the password screen came on. So what I'm going to do in order to use the timer, I'm going to have to first have access to the watch, either have it on with the passcode to unlock it, or I can have it like this and just go ahead and enter my passcode. And that's what I'm going to do really quickly. 1 second. So I entered the passcode and I have the Apple Watch on open. So what I'm going to do to get to the timer app, I'm going to take this wheel right here and I'm going to tap the side of it. So when I tap the side of the Apple Watch right here, the settings right here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down in the apps and I'm going to keep on scrolling, and it's usually at the bottom because this is alphabetical order. Get to the app that says timers right there. Do you see that right there? It says timers. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and tap on timers. And so it brings it up here and says recent timers right here, 30 seconds. So I can go ahead and use one of these prefix timers right here. They have a prefix 30-second timer, prefixed 1-minute timer, prefix 3-minute, 5-minute, 10-minute, 15, 30, an hour, and 2 hours. And you can edit the prefix timers right here by using the edit button if you so choose. So you go in there and it gives you these right here. You see those red marks? If I were to tap one of those, it will delete that specific timer. But I'm not going to delete those. I'm going to keep those right there. All right. So I'm just going to go ahead and press done. And at the top right here, it has recently used the 30-second and 30, which is really useful. The 30-second and 3-minute, because instead of scrolling down, I can just simply tap on one of these and it brings me directly to the timer and it actually starts. Now, once this is up, I can press pause if I need to pause the timer, or I can press play. And then there is a plus button right here that you can press and you can add something. I just added the third. I don't know exactly what that did, but it did something. Just took me to the plus. Oh, there's 2 timers now. So you have 1 timer and then you have the second timer. So I can add another timer if I wanted to that. And so the first timer is done, just like that. I can press stop X to end that, or I can press this loop to restart it. I'm going to press the X. Here is this third one. I'm going to X that one out. The second one just finished, done like that. Now, if I want to use a different timer with a different time of my own, I'll go down to this plus option right here. Now, this plus option allows me to add a new timer that can be different from any one of these if I so choose to. So I'm going to tap on that, and then I'm going to make this new timer 3 minutes, 1 second. But it gives you the option to where you can actually change all of these. You can change the hours if you want to. It goes all the way up to 23, or you can change the minutes, and you can change these seconds. So it's 3 minutes and 1 second is what I did. So you can go ahead and press start, and the timer will start. Okay, 3 minutes and 1 second, and when it's done, the alarm will go off. I can add additional alarms to this alarm right here while it's going. I can pause it if I want to, start it back up. Or if I want to cancel this altogether, I'll press the X and it exits out of the timer. And the recents are up there. That's the 301 that I just started, the 3-minute and the 30-second. And so when I'm done, just tap out of that and go about my way. Or if I want to add another one, just press that. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.